let's go and find a couple different trades. We're only taking just a few. We're at 347,680, and we want a range. We don't want these huge trends because they can just continue on forever. So you can do 5 seconds and you can do 1 minute flag. It really just depends on where you're at. So we have coming up on some resistance right here. I may take it. No, not too sure. Okay. Okay, we got that one. That one was just 5 seconds. Let's change it back to 1 minute. Make sure that you click on plus M1, and that is 00. And let's go find another one. Now, how do you know whether to take 5 seconds or 1 minute? That is a great question. If you're looking for rejection, like a quick rejection, then that's going to be 5 seconds. If you're looking for, that larger move, that one is going to be 1 minute. So this one is coming down and it's actually bouncing off of this area right here. That would be a 5 second one. But you want to identify your areas of major support and resistance. You don't want these tiny little levels because you can end up just losing, and we don't want to do that. So this is kind of in the middle. We don't really like to play in the middle. We might not actually have anything here. So if it went all the way down here, we would buy. If it came up here, we would sell. But right now, it's really not going anywhere. This is going to go up. You can see that the CCI is up, Williams is up. So technically, I guess we could go up. So let's just sit and wait. 7 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got it. All right, let's go and take just one more. Yes, I know this has been very, very quick, but my job is to just go in, grab, and leave. If you want to hang out with me and make money, copy my trades and all that great stuff, I did create a trading room. It will be live in about a week or so. And you can do all that. You can spend all the time that you want with me and make money and learn why we are taking the trades that we are. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure that you are subscribed or that you join my Discord, because that's exactly where we are going to be going over all that. All the updates are going to be in there. So I don't really want to take anything here unless this candle came down to the support, because you don't want to sell in an uptrend. So let's go see if we just take one more. I'm only looking for one more. I would like to buy a vowel, please. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wrote it down for 5 seconds and we got it. There we go. That was our last one. We started at, what was it? I don't even know. 347. We're at 350. All right, that was a nice quick little come up. If you want to learn how to do this, again, go to semi2.co/hitman. And we call it Hitman because we locate our target, we go in, grab our profit, and leave. There's even a calculator in here so that you can calculate your weekly potential profit. It is super, super awesome. This is a one-time payment of $97. If you're interested in the live trading room where you're going to have an exclusive community and you can hang out with me every single day and make money and learn, that's going to be $49 per month or a one-time payment of $97 at launch. So if that interests you, then use the link to schedule. Then use the link to hop into Discord. All right, smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and that is it for right now.